Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rimmel YouTube channel. My name is Ofune and I run a page called Cocoa Swatches where we swatch the latest makeup products on my cocoa skin tone. Today we're going to be getting into a beautiful, bold spring look. So if you need a little bit of spring inspo, stay tuned and keep on watching. To start off, we're going to be using the Magnifies Crimson Edition palette. So I'm going to start off with this berry tone fuchsia shade right here with a big fluffy brush in my crease. I want it to be kind of winged out but still soft, so you can also kind of drag it out here as well just to create that shape. You can start in the crease and also kind of blend up towards the brow bone just to make it a little bit more dramatic. Again, I want it to be soft, but I also want to give it a very interesting kind of shape. Next, to deepen things up a bit, I'm going to take this kind of brown shade to kind of just make the crease a little bit more intense, a little bit deeper. So I'm just taking a very small kind of pointed brush and going into the crease. Also the outer corner as well. Make sure to keep this color because it is a little darker in the crease and not blended upward. Really just want to feel where the bottom of your brow bone is with your brush and do not take it any farther up. So next we're going to apply some shimmer. I want to take this kind of pinky reddish shimmer color right here, and I'm just going to take it with my finger and apply it to the center of the eyes. I want to keep it in the center here just because that's where I want the eyes to really pop. It has a lot of pigmentation just applying with my finger. To open up the eyes a little bit, I want to use a matte shade for my inner corner. Just switch it up a little bit, not use shimmer, but use a matte. So I'm going to be using this kind of taupey beige, has like a hint of pink in it, this shade right here. I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner. So I want this look to be soft, but I do want to line my eyes just a little bit. So I'm going to take the Wonder Ink eyeliner and just line kind of the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm also going to take a little bit of that shade, that fuchsia shade we started off with, and apply that under the eyes just to kind of bring the look together. So now we're going to get into highlight. I love this highlighter. It is the Jelly highlighter in the shade Poppin' Bottles. So the way I like to apply this highlighter is to dip my finger into it and just kind of tap it onto the cheeks. And as you can see, it looks super pigmented, but don't worry, we're gonna blend it out. So I take my sponge and just kind of dab it into the skin. So now I'm gonna get into blush. I'm using the Jelly blush in the shade Cherry Popper. I'm gonna apply it in the exact same way. Just taking this. So the great thing about this blush is that it has a jelly texture that is super buildable. So you can see like it looks super bright when I put it on the face, but when I blend it out, it is more sheer. So you can kind of build it up to the pigmentation that you want it to be. So to finish off this look, we're gonna get into gloss. I'm gonna use the Stay Glossy Lip Gloss in the shade Berry Bad. We're keeping it all berry tones here. So this is the finished spring look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Please feel free to like this video if you are feeling this look. Subscribe to the Rimmel YouTube channel and leave a comment down below to let me know what you think. Oh, don't forget to follow me at Cocoa Swatches on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, wherever on the interwebs you can find me, Cocoa Swatches. All right, thanks so much for watching and I'm out.